These tabs you need to push in, and then it comes out. It sits in here for this one here. This one was inside, so we need to push inward and downwards. Any clips you see missing, you're going to have to take them out and insert them back in like this. I know you should be using gloves when replacing bulbs because our hands contain residual oil, and so having oil on the bulbs will reduce the life of the bulbs. And I know some people don't do that, but it's just it's good practice. So anyhow, these are the license plate bulbs. I'm just going to touch them out before I put them in. There's one for the left side and one for the right side for the license plate bulbs. What you need to do is line up the socket inside the hole and then turn it clockwise to lock it in. So you just gotta make sure that this is parallel after you lock it. So make sure it's locked in and it doesn't come out. We need to remove the clips that are on the vehicle and transfer them to the plastic, because it will not go in place. Make sure you have all of them. So we place the clips back in here before you reinstall the plastic trim cover. There's one more that's missing in the back here. We'll need to find that one. So this one, it fell on the floor. So I have all the clips now, ready to reinstall this back. You need to make sure you get these in first. These two clips here, they need to go in first.